Hi, my name is Nemia Atendido and I'm sharing my story as an Asian American in 2026. My family comes from the Philippines. In like many Asian American families, our story is shaped by hard work, sacrifice, and hope for a better future. Growing up, I learned to balance two cultures, honoring my heritage while finding my place in America. I pursued a career in nursing, driven by a passion to care for others. Today, I'm grateful to own multiple homes that support individuals with intellectual disabilities. Through this work, I advocate, empower, and strive to make a meaningful impact. There were moments when I felt different, my name, my accent, my color, or the expectations placed on me. But I learned those differences are actually strengths. My journey reflects resilience, compassion, and the power of community. Being Asian American means embracing who I am, where I come from, and where I'm going. Our stories matters. Thank you.